In this video, I'm going to share with you how to do the keyword research on Google Ads and how to use it. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I will go ahead and I will get back to you. Alright, I'm gonna hop right now into my computer and I will show you. Alright, so here we are at my Google Ads account. Right, so the very first thing we want to do is here on top where it says Tools and Settings. And then you want to come here all the way down to Planning. And right here, it says right here, Keyword Planner, right? This one. So here's how I normally do. I normally go for this one, which is Discovery New Keywords, and I do the research over here. I'm going to show you how to do it. So come on, click here. Right. So here, the very first thing we got to do is over here, we got to choose the target country. So in this case, to give an example, I'm just going to put the country India. It can be USA or any country, right? I'm just going to put India. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and save. And now here, the language, we want to put the language that we want to go after. In this case, I'm going to select English. Okay, so you can add multiple countries if you want, so that you do the search just on that country. So right now, just to give an example, let's go for instance for the make money online niche. So let's go ahead and, for instance, put some keywords here to get some ideas. So let's put make money online, how to make money online, work from home, online money. Okay, so I like to put a few keywords related to the niche that we're going after here. And by the way, over here you can start with the website. We'll get the keywords from the website. That's possible as well, but I always like to use this keyword and I put the keywords that I want here. Then what you want to do is click here, get results. Then what I like to do is the very first thing that I do, and it's you see this bar over here. This is a very important bar, and what you want to do is right here where it says last 12 months. I always like to put here last month, so it gives me data for the last month, so I know which keywords are bringing the traffic last month. Okay, so when we scroll down, so this bar over here, refine keywords, I like to take this out, so this is big. Okay, so right here is going to show the related keywords to the keywords that we've typed in. It's going to show multiple keywords, as you can see here, and if you scroll down, there's even more pages here, right? So what I like to look at, the very most important thing that I like to do, one of the things that I start doing it is I always come here to this right here, which is average monthly search. I like to click over here. That way it will tell me the keywords that has the most traffic first, and then it goes down. Here's what's happening. This keyword right here, which is work from home jobs, is the keyword that has the most traffic. It has 246,000 searches per month. The competition of it is high, and the average per click, it's 12 cents up to 27 cents per click, right? So this is one keyword right here that has a lot of traffic. I always like to go after keywords that have a lot of traffic, right? So this is one keyword. Now you can see the keywords right here that you want to, so this is how you see the competition. It says right there that if the competition is high, if it's low, medium, and you never want to go after keywords that have low average search right here, this number. So just to give an idea, if I click here, average monthly search, this is going to go for the less search ones. Like these keywords have no data here, nobody's searching for them, right? That's why I always like to click here to average per month. That way it shows the keywords that has the most traffic. And when you go after these keywords that has a lot of traffic, the traffic won't be a problem, right? But you can go down and just select the keywords that you want. And again, you want to make sure that you look at this, see how much per click, right? And with keywords, it's all about making sense to what you are promoting. So for instance, if you're promoting a make money online product that teaches people how to make money online, this keyword will make a lot of sense, right? This one, how to earn money online, because so they're searching for how to make how to earn money online, and then you can show them the ad. And this right here, it's this is the price that you would pay per click, right? Now, what you can do to get these keywords is first of all, what I like to do. And by the way, before I continue, let me just show that over here you have this things right here, which is more keywords that you can add in to even bring you more keywords. But you can do that as well. Just a note. What I normally do with the keywords is the first thing that I do is first I create the ad, Google search ad. Once the ad is created, I just add one keyword, and then I come to this place. And then what I do is literally I select the keywords that I want, right? Let's say I only want these right here. And then what I do is over here, as you can see, this thing showed up right here. What I like to do is you could either plan and have a plan. So if you have not done the campaign, you can plan and then just add it to the campaign. It's possible to do this. But what I normally do is I first do the campaign to get the ball rolling, and then I click here existing campaign. Then I select the campaign that I have on my ads, which is this one. Let's say funnily, this is the one that I have active. Okay, I'm gonna select the group, and then right here it's gonna. This is very important right here. This right here, the broad match. If you select broad match over here, it means that anything that people search that has the keyword on, it will show the ads for those keywords as well. What I like to do here all the time is use exact match. That way it will only get traffic specifically only to the keywords that I'm choosing from here, right? So I always like to use the exact match. And then I'll just click here, add keywords, and this will add all the keywords to my ads, right? It will add it over here. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the campaign. I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click keywords on the left, and here we go. It shows all the keywords that I have, and I can add more, right? So this is where the keywords go. Okay, now back here. Okay, you can do that, right? And also, if you are just planning out and doing your research, you could go ahead and just write these keywords on a piece of paper, or right. That way, when you do the campaign, you can just manually add them. But you can definitely just use this thing right here when you select them, and just this blue thing right here, and just add them to wherever you want, right? So that's pretty cool. And also, if you choose them here and this button right here, you can copy over here. You can copy the keywords, and then if you go to your ad, you can literally paste it there on the keywords, right? You have to do the keyword research, which is you have to look at this data. All this data, it's so important. You want to see how many search per month it has, if it has enough data for you to go after, because you don't want to go after keywords that don't have a lot of traffic. And then be specific, and there's so many keywords that you can choose from. You can see here you have so many pages of the keywords. So and pretty much this is how you do it. This is a simple way for you to go for that, right? Now let me show you something. If you go ahead and let's say you select these 4 keywords, and let's go ahead and click on plan to plan. Let's create a new group. Just I'm gonna call it temp for temporary, and I'm gonna go and select exact keywords. Okay, exact match, and add keywords. Okay, once this is done, you see right there it says in the plan, right? And what you can do now, this is pretty cool, is here on the left you can come here to plan overview, and this is really cool because you can see the data here, which is with the amount of the keywords that you've picked. You can see for the amount here, you can see how much you will pay per click, right? So for instance, that for 630 clicks, you will pay 61 euros or dollars per click here, right? And this right here, you see daily budget. This is 15 euros per day that you would be spending, right? This is how much are you willing to pay. You can click right here. How much are you willing to pay per click? You can put the max cost per click right here, right? Since you're doing this plan, you can go ahead and click here to create the campaign. It will create the campaign with these keywords, right? And this is how you do it, right? So let me just close this right now. One more thing that I want to share with you really quick. That is really, but it's something that I've learned not long ago, and I took some time to learn that, and it's very important. So here on the ads, let me just click on the ad and then go here to the keywords. Okay, let me just put here last 14 days here with this campaign, just to see something. Okay, so I'm just gonna put with this campaign, I'm gonna put here all the time. Okay, so for instance, this keyword right here, which is make money online, I don't have brackets. Let me zoom in here to show you. So this right here, as you can see, I don't have the brackets here. No brackets means it's a broadband, so it will show the ads, whatever keyword that has this keyword on it. Now, if you're using brackets, it will only show ads to specifically to this keyword. So because this one make money online right there that have broadband, what you can do is you can click on the here to select on the keyword, and you can come here to this thing right here, which is search terms. This is very cool because this right here, it will show you the data where the traffic is coming from, what keywords are coming from that make money online broad match keyword, right? And this is really cool because now you can see the data and you can see, okay, for example, this keyword right here, how to make money online, is the keyword that for this case, it's bringing me the most conversions here. It's bringing me this amount of conversions, 11, right? You can see the keywords, and then you can just select which ones you want to use and which ones you don't want to use. So this is very pretty cool thing that most people just don't find this because it's hide it, but can make a big difference when you're using broadband keywords. There we go. I hope that was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, and if you did not like, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment below I subscribed, and I will get back to you and reply. Also, I'm gonna leave below in the comments and in the description as well 2 of my number 2 recommendations that I have there to make money online. Those are the 2 programs that I promote and recommend and bought. And that's where I recommend. That's how I make my most money online, is through those 2 programs. One is with Builderall and another one is with Legendary Marketer. With that said, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Have a blessing day, and I will see you next time.